Hello and welcome to my channel. This is MyLifeFrAiur, and today I'm making a video about the pronunciation of some of the biggest brands, the biggest Chinese camera gear brands. Because we always watch YouTube videos, review this and that, and we always come across reviewers using these Chinese accessories or budget lenses, and yeah, people just butchering the pronunciations, and it doesn't matter. It's okay, because nobody's gonna speak it like say the name exactly like the native way. It's impossible. Just making this video to satisfy your curiosity in case you're wondering how do Chinese actually pronounce those names and what do they mean. So here's this short video. First one, let's take a look at the Neewer. Actually, this one is they invented this name based on English, Neewer, and it doesn't make any sense in Chinese at all because it's a kind of a trend to name your brand, name your company in a Western way, so make it more fashionable, make it more acceptable, like make it more I don't know how fancy, like this brand is fancy, make the Chinese consumer to misleading the Chinese consumer to think that it is actually a Western brand, and thus the Chinese customers could be more trusting in this brand. So this is kind of strategy. It's a very old trick. So basically, it doesn't make sense in Chinese. Neewer doesn't make sense, but you can obviously tell it's from English, Neewer. And here is the official Chinese translation. This is the company's name, Shenzhen City, and Neewer Technology. So this is the translation of Neewer, translated by the sound. So basically, the word itself don't make any sense. They don't have any significance, any meaning in them. It's just to make up the sound. Yeah, it's a fancy name. It's just sound good. That's it. Sounds good. That's all they want. All right, let's move on to Yongnuo. Yongnuo, it's also pretty nice. They make budget lenses and stuff. This actually is a Chinese name. You can spell it in Chinese. You can just understand. If you know Chinese, you know how to say it by looking at this. It's two words. It's Yong and Nuo. Literally, it means forever promise. Here is how you write it in Chinese. Yongnuo. This is forever. This is promise. Forever promise. And a lot of people say Yongnuo or something. In American way, but yeah, but I mean, I don't mind people pronouncing it in American way or any other accent other than Chinese. There's no way to ask everybody to just pronounce it in a native way. This is impossible because not everybody speaks Chinese. Just to let you know how it is. Next one is this one is also very very commonly mispronounced. People call it Meike. It's super funny to me. Actually, it's Meike. Meike. It's like you pronounce the ending vowel. Wait, how do you say it? Yeah, it's like make, but you make it a k super long, like make. That's how you pronounce that thing. Make. It's two words. The first one, mei, is beautiful. Second one is ke, is technology. So beautiful technology, beautiful tech. It's also a very nice name. But when you're writing English in the pinyin, in alphabets, it can be very misleading. How do you pronounce this? Meike, Mike. That's actually Meike. All right, that's it for this video. It's very short, just to inform you how to correctly pronounce all these Chinese brand names. Nothing special, and thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I do a lot of camera lens review and stuff, very casual stuff, and shoot a bunch of stuff, random stuff in Venice, some vlog, and yeah. Thanks for watching.